Innovative Kids channel.
Hello kids and parents. Welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Join us for an exciting biology class designed for kids and parents. Discover the wonders of science together and learn important biology concepts in a fun and engaging way. Don't miss out.
Do you like science, Emma?
Yes, teacher. I like science.
Can you name the parts of a plant?
Yes, the parts are the roots, stem, leaves, and flowers.
What do roots do?
Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil.
What is the function of leaves?
Leaves make food for the plant through photosynthesis.
What is the largest land animal?
The largest land animal is the elephant.
Can you name an animal that is a mammal?
Yes, teacher. A dog is a mammal.
How many bones are in the human body?
There are 206 bones in the human body.
What organ pumps blood throughout the body?
The heart pumps blood throughout the body.
What do we use to breathe?
We use our lungs to breathe.
What is the basic unit of life?
The basic unit of life is a cell.
Can you name a part of a cell?
Yes, the nucleus is a part of a cell.
What is the function of the cell membrane?
The cell membrane protects the cell and controls what goes in and out.
What is an ecosystem?
An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things interacting together.
Can you name a type of ecosystem?
Yes, teacher. A forest is a type of ecosystem.
What is a food chain?
A food chain shows how energy moves from one living thing to another.
What do plants need to grow?
Plants need sunlight, water, air, and nutrients to grow.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their own food using sunlight.
What is the largest group of animals?
The largest group of animals is insects.
Can you name an insect?
Yes, a butterfly is an insect.
How many legs do insects have?
Insects have 6 legs.
What is a vertebrate?
A vertebrate is an animal with a backbone.
Can you give an example of a vertebrate?
Yes, teacher. A fish is a vertebrate.
What is an invertebrate?
An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone.
Can you give an example of an invertebrate?
Yes, a jellyfish is an invertebrate.
How many senses do humans have?
Humans have 5 senses.
Can you name the 5 senses?
The 5 senses are sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell.
What is a life cycle?
A life cycle is a series of stages an organism goes through from birth to adulthood.
Can you name an animal and its life cycle stages?
Yes, a frog's life cycle stages are egg, tadpole, and adult frog.
What is a habitat?
A habitat is a natural environment where an organism lives.
What kind of animals live in the ocean habitat?
Fish, whales, and dolphins live in the ocean habitat.
How do most plants reproduce?
Most plants reproduce through seeds.
What is pollination?
Pollination is a transfer of pollen from one flower to another.
How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce by giving birth or laying eggs. Why do living things need food?
Living things need food for energy and growth.
What causes diseases?
Diseases can be caused by bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens.
How can we prevent diseases?
We can prevent diseases by washing hands, eating healthy, and getting vaccinations. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.